Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Choose your country and once you are inside the homepage, log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. After logging in using your credentials, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to change your name that you have set up within your account, just tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, then tap on account settings, and you will now be taken into the account settings menu. Now, underneath the account, click on your information and you will see your name. Click on the edit button at the right side, and you will now need to enter your password to verify your identity. Type in your password and then click on the continue button, and now you will be allowed to edit your name. Go ahead and type in your desired first and last name and then click on the save button, and now your changes will be saved on your account right away. If you wish to change your online ID or your username within your PlayStation account, you can also click on profile underneath PlayStation Network, and from here you will be able to change your online ID as well as your name and various other settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.